God bless you, dear students. Hope you are doing well and enjoying your summer vacations. In the last one video, we have learned about how to add and subtract the like terms. So, few of the terms used in our mathematics textbook, which I thought that you all must have to be aware that what the meaning of that terminology is. So in this one video we are discussing about two terms. The first one is simplification or simplify, and the second one is evaluate. As we have learned that we can add and subtract the like terms, so when we are going to add 2x plus 3y and we will get at 5x, it means that we are simplifying this expression. Simplifying it means that converting the expression in the simplest form, in the lowest form, okay, but we cannot further solve it, and we do not know the exact value of 5x, okay. It depends upon the value of x. So what the evaluation then, what mean evaluate? If we have a question that find the value of 2x plus 3x, here it is written as simplify, and here it is written as find the value of 2x plus 3x when x is equal to 3, right? Sorry. Then 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. This is the lowest form, and additional information is given when x is equal to 3. So in order to find the exact value of this one, I have to put 3 here. 5 3s are 15. I have to put 3 in place of x, okay. So 5 3s are 15. This is the exact value. This is called evaluate. Finding the exact value of any algebraic expression is called evaluate. And simplifying the algebraic expression and converting them into the simplest form or the lowest form is called simplification, okay. Let's learn with the help of few examples. The first one is, if x is equal to 6 and y is equal to -4, evaluate. The part A is 4x minus 7y and part B is 2x square minus y cube. Okay, I'm going to solve the first one part. First of all, I have to write the expression 4x minus 7y. So in this one expression we have two terms and two terms are subtracting, okay. So I'm going to use the value of x and y to evaluate this one. X is 6 and y is -4, okay. So just write like this: 4x minus 7y must be equal to 4. What will be the value of x? 6 -7, and what will be the value of y? -4, right? So now the second step, 4 6 are 24. This bracket means that 4 is multiplying with 6, okay. Then this is a negative sign and this is multiplying with a negative number, so negative into negative is positive, and some 4s are 28. 24 plus 28 is 20 plus 20 40, 8 plus 4 is 12, then 52, right? So the exact value of this expression is 52 when x is equal to 6 and y is equal to -4. Now time to solve the B portion. B part is 2x square minus y cube, right? Okay, so first of all I have to write like this: 2x square negative y cube is equal to 2. What is the value of x? Value of x is 6, so it must be 6 square because it's x square here, okay. Just I am replacing the x with its value, then all other are remaining same. The power will remain same, the expression will remain same, okay. So 2 x square, so I write 6 square. Negative, it's y cube, so I have to write negative 4 cube. Now first solve the square. 2 into 6 square is 6 6 are 36. Negative. Negative 4 cube. Negative 4 cube mean negative 4 into negative 4 into negative 4. Right? Cube means I have to multiply this number 3 times. Negative into negative is positive. Then positive into negative is negative. So our overall answer must be in negative. Okay? Now for 4 the 16 and 16 for the 64. Right? So I have to write here negative 64. Now 36 multiplied by 2, 72. 6 2s are 12 and 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, 72. Minus into minus is plus 64. 72 plus 64 is 4 5 6 6 6 12 and 30, 136. So the exact value of this one expression when x is equal to 6 and y is equal to negative 4 is 136. Right? Let's write another example of simplification as well. So if we have a question like this, simplify the expression. And we have expression like 5x square, or you can say only 5x plus 22, it's nothing here, minus 6x and minus 23. Right? So how I can simplify? Now I'm going to simplify this expression, not evaluate. That's why I don't have the value of x. Okay, so first of all I have to write like this: 5x plus 22 minus 6x minus 23. The first step must be the same question. Okay, now how we can simplify this one? We know that during simplify we can add the like terms. So this one is of x, this one is of x, so I can write them together. 5x, this is negative 6x. Right? This is constant value, this is constant value, so I am putting these constant values together. Plus 22 negative 23. Right? Like this. Okay, now we have positive 5x and negative 6x. As we have learned in chapter 2 that positive and negative always subtract. So in algebra the rules will remain same. This is positive 5x, this is negative 6x, so we always have to subtract. So 6 minus 5 is 1. The greater value is 6s having a negative sign with it, so I must have to put negative with it. So the remaining is negative 1x. As we have learned that if the coefficient is 1, no need to write it. So in the next one step I will write only negative x. Okay, so we have solved, we have simplified this one. Now going onward, we have plus 22 and negative 23. Positive and negative always subtract. So 23 minus 22 is 1, and greater value is 23 with negative sign, so it will become negative 1. So I can write it as negative x negative 1. This is the answer, this is the lowest form. Okay, so let's take one other example. If we have having two variables. Okay, so if we have x plus 3y plus 6x plus 4y, how to solve this one? Okay, as the first one step must be equal as the question, x plus 3y plus 6x plus 4y, same as it is. Now finding the like terms. This one is of x, this one is of x, so I am putting these together, x plus 6x. This one is of y, this one is of y, so I am putting these together, right? Plus x plus 6x, so we have plus 7x, plus 3y plus 4y, so we have plus 4 5 6 7 7y, like this. So there must be an extra step here, as there is 7 with x and there is 7 with y, so I can take 7 as common. Okay, by taking 7 as common, the remaining will be x plus y, because I am taking 7 this and this outside. So how you can check that by taking a common, you're taking the right common? How you can check? Then if you want to check, you have to multiply this from 7 with these terms again. If you are getting these expression, then it means that you are taking the common very right. Okay, so 7x is 7x हो जाएगा, 7 into x is 7x, then plus 7 into y is 7y. So it means that you are taking a right common.